Hey, we're Evan and Josh, and this is Bloomchasers. We're the folks behind Ransom Notes, Abduction, and a bunch of other easy-to-learn games designed for clever people. There's lots of games about trees, but we wanted to make one where you actually grew a 3D tree with real branches and flowers that grew upwards in a totally unique way each game. So, we made Bloomchasers. It's a quick-to-learn but surprisingly strategic game where you'll compete to steal territory, grow buds, and make your flowers bloom across a tree faster than your opponents. Here's how to play. Each turn, you'll draw a new branch and place it onto the tree, deciding exactly how to place it for your strategy. Branches come in 4 types, and they all interlock perfectly into a hexagonal pattern, even over multiple levels. But, just like a real tree, success depends heavily on the weather. Each turn, you'll use one of the available weather cards to grow new buds of your color onto the tree. Your goal is to place buds onto the tree in formations that match the shape of one of the 3 types of flowers in the game, like the rainflower, the sunflower, or even the delightfully multi-level windflower. When a bloom card is drawn, it's a flower growing free-for-all. Watch out for opponents sneakily growing over one of your color buds or blocking your growth of the branch. By the end of every game, the player with the highest scoring flowers wins, and you'll have grown a mighty, full-grown tree that's beautiful enough to leave out well after the game's done. Bloomchasers is simple enough to teach in just 10 minutes, but its 3D structure and deceptive gameplay makes it pretty competitive if you want it to be. We teamed up with an incredible game designer, Tavy, who led us through countless design iterations and playtests to build a simple yet elegant, ever-changing game that's pretty much unlike anything else in the market. Early playtesters love this game, and we've got the right manufacturing partners to make it, but this tree can't grow without your support. So, please help us bring Bloomchasers to life.